You just lost a shirt button, your pocket just unstitched? Don't panic, we'll see together how to add an emergency sewing kit to your favorite Swiss Army knife. Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how I added a sewing kit to my Swiss Army knife to add another useful function. This kit is very simple, it's just a needle and a thread. That's it, nothing incredible. First, the needle. There is a needle slot in the cover, hidden by the corkscrew. But if you place a needle here, in my opinion, it does not integrate well and can be hard to take. I prefer placing a pin here. There is the Victorinox one with the right dimensions. The link will be in the description. I think this pin is not the most useful accessory, but it can still be useful. The other way to position the needle is inside the tweezers. Get the tweezers out, place the needle in the middle, like this, then insert the tweezers back in the slot. When you eject the tweezers, remember the needle is here. Keep the tweezers closed during extraction. If you need to use the tweezers, put the needle somewhere you will remember. Most of the time, I keep the needle between my lips closed. This way, I close my mouth and everybody is happy. Now the thread. To get a good length, we will use the toothpick. Plane it with the blade here to remove exceeding material. Then you roll the thread around the toothpick and put the toothpick back in its slot. This is how you make an emergency sewing kit in your Swiss Army knife, always with you, just in case you need it. It already saved me during travel, allowing me to repair unstitched pockets or luggage straps. Last time I used it, I was invited to a wedding in another city, so I was not home to prepare, and when I wanted to put on the tie, I saw the stitch was broken and the tie was opening completely. Hopefully I had this sewing kit with me. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Do not hesitate to ask questions in the comments. Thanks and see you soon.